Hello class, Mr. Avila is here to show you how to play Minecraft EDU with a friend. The first thing you might need to do is get yourself the Minecraft Edu Launcher. So I'm going to go here into the Windows Explorer. I'm going to go to C Drive. I'm going to go to Minecraft EDU and I'm going to click once on Launcher. I'm going to right click and go down to Send to Desktop. And you'll see now over here I have a shortcut to Minecraft EDU. I'm going to launch Minecraft EDU. And I'm going to set up a server to play with my friends. So I'm going to go to Start Minecraft EDU Server Launcher, and it's going to ask me what kind of world do I want to do. Do I want to have a world that I've already saved? Do I want to have a new world? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Create New World. It's going to give me options. I could generate a random world, I could generate a world from a seed, or I could generate a completely flat world. So I'm going to pick a flat world. I can have structures and animals if I want to, but I'm going to leave those unchecked. You'll see it even gives you an option for pre-made world type. So I'm actually going to pick Redstone Ready. And I'm going to hit Start Server with New World. It's going to take a few seconds, but you will see that it is actually going to launch our server now. So now that the server has launched, you can see up here, server starting. When this red button goes green, it means everybody's able to log into the world. In the meantime, I will show you down here in the world settings. So in the world settings is where I can control most of the options for the map. I can change the game mode on the fly, so we have Survival, Creative, Minecraft EDU. You have weather effects, and down at the bottom you can set the time. So I'll set the time to the morning, and then I lock it so the time of day doesn't change on the map. But basically, that's all you really should need. We can see that the server is ready. So I'm going to go to Minecraft EDU again, same thing, go to the launcher, and I'm going to go to Start Minecraft EDU. I pull down the second option in the menu. I'm going to hit Launch, and I'm going to directly connect through multiplayer to that IP address right here where the server is. So it's going to boot up. Type my name. I'm going to go to multiplayer, direct connect, and I'm going to type in that number, 192, 168, 8, 107. I'm going to go to join server. There we go, logging on in. And we want to make sure we leave this server open, so I'm just going to shrink it. I'm going to go back to the game. Actually, let's Alt-Tab. If you hold down Alt and Tab, you can flip between open programs in Windows. I'm going to make this full screen, go back to the game, and so now anybody who joins this map will all be playing together. I can hit E, and there's all the building materials that I need, and we are ready to rock and roll. So this is how you can play with a friend. I'm going to hit Escape. I'm going to go to Disconnect. Notice you can't save. Whoever sets up the world, and it should be only one of you setting up the world, you're going to have to save through the server launcher. So you're going to see it's going to say Save World. So I'm going to call this, let's call this Save Number 2. Make sure that you guys use a unique name for your world, so that way you can find it easier. And I'm going to hit Save World. And save was successful, so I've saved that world. Okay? Now if I stop the server, and I'm going to go return to server launcher, next time you guys play, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to select saved world, and then you're going to hit saved world 2, and then you're going to start server with that saved world. And that's how you can reload your world. One more tip I can show you is where your world exists. So I open up Windows Explorer, I'm going to go back to C Drive. I'm going to go to Minecraft. I'm going to go to Server Tool. Right, your saved worlds on the server are under C Drive, Minecraft EDU, Server Tool, Worlds. saved worlds. You can see save 1 and 2. So you could go ahead and back up this save to Google Drive. If you want to take it home and work on it, you would just download it and you would save it to that file path, MinecraftEDU, server tool, worlds, saved worlds. Or something else that you guys could do, if you're not going to work on the world at home, but you want to be able to access it from other computers, because don't forget, your world is saved on the local hard drive of the computer that you're using. So that means if you use computer 1 when you are in the labs and you come back next week and you use computer 3, your world's not going to be there because it's only saved on computer 1. So again, we can fix that by loading our worlds, uploading our worlds to Google Drive, or maybe you've used this into your other class. I'm going to copy, and you'll see that I have H drive. You can see the H with the colon there on the right. Every kid, each one of you guys have an H drive. Now, I can't access my H drive because I'm not at school right now, but if you were to paste your world into your H drive, and it'll say your name, you will be able to access that saved world from any computer in our school. So you can't save a world to H drive and use it at home, but you can save a world in H drive and use it on another computer in the labs. So whether you back up to Google Drive or you back up to your H drive, just do a right click and a copy and paste it. And then when you're ready to move it, you would just have to paste it back in. So if I wanted to, paste it back into saves, right? There we go. It'd be something like that. Otherwise, so again, you guys can now do multiplayer with your friends. Make sure that only one of you launches the server for the world. Not everybody needs to do it, but everybody does need to log into that IP address, right? So everybody will direct connect to the same world using that number there, but not everybody needs to open the Minecraft EDU server, okay? Have fun.